Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here, and welcome to my channel, and welcome to another Temu haul. That's right, I have another Temu haul. It's right here in this bag. We don't even hardly recognize Temu anymore because they have changed their packaging to all white. And I heard that they did that because, people were stealing it off the front porches or the yards or wherever the postman or the UPS guy was leaving them. I don't know if that's true or not, but, everybody knows Temu has great deals, so everybody wants in on it, whether they're paying for it, in this case, or stealing. Naughty, shame on you. But today we're going to find out what I bought. This is a Temu purchase that I purchased with my own money. It is a variety of several different things. It's going to have some Christmas ideas in here. It's going to have some useful things that you could use, and it's going to have some decor things. It's just going to be a little mix, and I wanted to share it with you today. I will tell you I am an affiliate with Temu, and I do have links down in my description. My links are links that would take you directly to each product that I have with the price on there, and keep in mind that the price can vary or change since publication. Also, if you use my link, I may make a small commission on it, so I want to make sure that's perfectly clear to you. And if you want to be an affiliate, you don't have to be a YouTube creator in order to be an affiliate, and I'll have a link down in my description for you to check that out. And Temu is an online market store that you can get all kinds of things. And if you're getting ready for Christmas, or if you're not ready for Christmas, then Temu might be just the spot for you. And if you haven't bought anything from Temu, I do have a 50% off discount code. It's INC76154. You can also receive 50% off if you've never downloaded the app. You can use that same discount code and receive 50% off. Plus, when you do download the app, you get $100 in coupons to use on future purchases. What can you purchase from Temu? All kinds of things. Clothes, home decor, Christmas gift, birthday gifts, tools, gadgets, appliances, kitchen gadgets, purses, clothes, like this shirt I have on. This is a flannel shirt, and then this t-shirt is a t-shirt, and the t-shirt was about $8, and the flannel was $11.14 when I bought it. So you can get all kinds of things at Temu, and I have other videos out on Temu that has fashion, jewelry, and all kinds of things, and you could just look up my Temu videos if you want to see more about it. But today we're not talking about clothes. We're talking about a few things that you could use for Christmas, maybe a few things for yourself. Temu does offer free shipping, free 90-day returns, and they do 30-day price matching. So yes, if you find something for less, you can get a price match and get credit in your account for future purchases. But without any further ado, we're going to get into my Temu, and I'm just going to pull things out as I see them. The first thing I'm pulling out was an idea for a Christmas gift, and it is a pink plush bag. It's portable, and it was $3.81, and this is just darling for a little girl. It's got on the hardware over here, you've got some little pearl and gold chain with a pearl at the end. It is a little bag that they could put their cosmetic or any little treasure that they might want to put in there. And look at that cute little face there. And I think this might be one of those popular things related to the Hello Kitty brand, but I'm just not real sure because I'm not all hip on all that. But that's what this looks like, and it's so very cute. And that is the first item I got for $3.81. Now I also want to mention that I got this for $3.81. If it was on a lightning sale, the lightning sale may not be on anymore, so this could be higher or lower based on what the current price is. My next item is Sanrio Cute Hello Kitty. That's right, I got a Hello Kitty. I don't know if y'all watch my channel, but Plush Bat Fam, one of our channel friends, he is doing Hello Kitties, and I seen this one on there for $6.74, and I decided to get it because I thought, what a cute gift. And if you have any little girls that would love to have a Hello Kitty similar to this, then you could get it possibly for $6.74, or I think regular price might have been $13 and something. So their pricing is a really good price if they have them in stock. And this is really cute. It doesn't have any tags on it that I can see, but it's just a cute little Hello Kitty for $6.74, and I love that. And like I said, a great little Christmas gift. The next item I'm pulling out of here is something that you would use with nail art. If you're somebody that buys gel polish or other kind of polish and you want to have something to have them so you could see what the color is, these are nail color sticks. And it does come with a ring that you can bind them up. And this was $1.89, and it's 50 of these that you can put on, and they would fit on your nail ring here. And you could store them all on that ring, and all of that was $1.89. Now, if you're in the nail business, you might be in the market for some of these. So you could get 50 of these for your business for $1.89. Temu has lots of things, and it's practically wholesale pricing. So keep that in mind too. And the next item I'm pulling out of here, it's another gift idea, and this is the Pink Sakura Sanrio Hello Kitty, and it is a keychain. Look at that. And again, this was on a lightning sale, but it has the little pink Sakura Sanrio Hello Kitty on there, and it's a little keychain, and you can clip it on your purse just like so, or you could actually put keys on there, and it's even got a wristlet, so your little girl could have it around her wrist if she wants to. And then it has that Karomi name on there. I am not familiar with all these names and everything, but I just thought that was adorable, and since I was getting some Hello Kitty things, I thought I'd get some accessories. Like I said, great for Christmas, and this was $2.99. The next item I have is in this tube, and this is a one-piece farmhouse wall art. And inside here I have a wall art that I can have framed, and it looks like this. And I will have to buy me a frame, and I didn't realize that, but that's okay. This was $2.69, and it says, "I wish I met you sooner so I could love you longer." Isn't that romantic? Goes with my little pink truck shirt that I have on, but that is adorable, and I love that. And I just need to get me a frame so I can frame it up. But it is a farmhouse wall art. It's a 7.8 inch by 11.8 inches. And again, it was $2.69, and this was just a tip of the iceberg. They have all kinds of art on sale at Temu. So if you're in the market for doing your own framing and buying wall art, you can find some really good deals and fashionable things that you like for your home. Now, the next item that I have is something that I'm going to use in my office, I guess you'd say. But it's little thank yous, and I want to put those on my cards and things that I send out. Just a little thank you for being a part of my channel. I can use these thank yous for anything. They're not too big. They're just small sizes that you could put like on your envelope to stamp it. And I'm sorry for the glare. I wanted to get the little foil look with a little bit of pinkish color to it. I really thought they were cute. This is 500 stickers for $1.87, and that's another good deal. The next item I have in here is one for my dogs, and this is the pig elephant. I think pig elephant is one that you could get, and I have gotten the elephant. This is the duck, and this was 78 cents for the yellow duck, and that was a buy, because normally even on when it's not on special, they usually charge $1.78 to $2 and something for this, but I got it on a lightning sale for 78 cents, and I don't know how much it is currently, but I will have that all down in my descriptions. The prices in my descriptions will be the current prices when I did this video. The videos that I'm telling you right now in the video screen are the prices I paid for it when I got it, just to be clear on that. The next item that I got is in this little packet, and this is something that I decided I would try. It's called a sparkling 3-row ring, and look at that. Isn't that pretty? It's going to be too big for my finger. I got a 9, I think, or maybe I got a 10. Yeah, I got a 10 in golden. And that's my largest finger that I have it on, so I would not be able to wear it. I might could wear it on my thumb, but even then it might slide off. I have really small fingers, so I guess I either needed I probably needed a 9. This one here is an 8, and it fits over here, and it might be a 7. I can't remember. but I was hoping that this would fit my middle finger, but it's too big, so it'll end up being in a giveaway, and or I'll give it as a gift to someone I know. But isn't that beautiful? Look at that shine on that ring. Yeah, that is very pretty. I wish it would have fit my finger, but guys, it was only $1.34. Very inexpensive, very beautiful. But I got a 10 and it's a little too big for me, but that's okay. The last item I have in here is the 15-piece Moon Straw Drawstring bags. And these are little colorful bags that if you wanted to give away something or make a nice presentation, like I could put a ring like this inside here. And these are a little bit smaller than what I thought, but they'd be perfect for earrings or for a ring that you want to give away, and you wouldn't even have to have the package. You could just put the ring in there by itself. Let me show you how that would look. This would make a nice little gift for, like I said, earrings, and or in this case a ring that you could just drop down in there. You could drop a pair of earrings down in there and make a lovely gift gesture. And we have green, we have like a midnight gold color that looks really pretty like the midnight, and then we also have just like some clear, I guess you could say it's not really white, but kind of clear with it looks like a pink tint. So very cute. And I have 15 of those for 67 cents. So yeah, guys, you can just get all kinds of things. And if you're getting ready for Christmas, you could get several, like I'm just going to say, you could get an earring, a ring, and a necklace from Temu. If you caught them all at the right pricing, you could, including your 15 bags for 67 cents, you could put a ring, a pair of earrings, and a necklace in here for probably under $5 per gift. So if you're in the market where you have to buy several items for Christmas, and or you want to have this special little bag set up for a little special thank you to pass out to somebody, you could do that with these. But anything small that you would want to gift out, you could definitely do that with these little bags. And they'd be very cute and a nice little touch. But that is my Temu haul. Let me know what you think. Are these nail art tips something that you could use for display and or to put your gel nails on, or your nail polish, and you could have it on your ring and you could look to see which one you wanted to use? Are you a nail tech and you have a business? Well, then this would be perfect for you to show all your different colors and solar and gel, whatever it is that you have in your salon that you use. Do you need thank yous for your business, or you just want thank yous because you just want to say thank you to everybody? Those were just like $1.87. Do you want a wall art that's inexpensive and very pretty? And that was made out of like canvas. So I don't know if I showed you that on the back, but it's just really nice. It feels like a nice little canvas, and I just love the art on there. Is that something you would like? Let me know if that's something you would like. And as far as Christmas gifts, you could get a little ducky for your doggy. You could get a Hello Kitty for one of your special little girls in your life. And if you want to get them a little set of things, you could get a little keychain with a wristlet, and you could get them a little cosmetic bag. And that looks like one of those Sakura on there. I'm just not real sure, but it could be. But that is my haul today. You let me know what your favorite was in this one. And do I have a favorite? Well, I love my wall art that I got, so this is one of my favorites. And my next favorite is going to be the Hello Kitty. Yep, I'm into the Hello Kitties because Plush Bat Fan, a channel friend of mine, is on the move for new plushies, and he just sent me 2 this week, and I just love them. So that'll be on my Mass Monday video if you want to see some more Hello Kitties. But as for today, in this Temu haul, that's all I have. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.